Locked out of your Natwest online banking because you can't remember all those passwords? Let's simplify things with your Natwest card reader. First, make sure you have your Natwest debit card and your card reader handy. Head to the Natwest online banking login page on your computer. You'll see a few login options. Select the one that says something like log in using your card reader. Now, take your Natwest debit card and carefully insert it into the card reader, following the direction indicated by the arrows on the card reader. The card reader will now prompt you to enter your PIN. Use the number keys on the card reader to enter your PIN. Make sure you enter your PIN carefully. After entering your PIN, you'll see different options displayed on the screen. Select the option that matches what you want to do, usually something like sign in or log in. The card reader will then generate a unique 8-digit code. Enter this code into the designated field on the Natwest login page on your computer. Double-check that the code you entered is accurate. And that's it. Once you submit the code, you should be successfully logged into your Natwest online banking. Enjoy.